Today start. New point. B. Reaction with the phosphorus halide. Reaction with phosphorus halide. You know phosphorus halide? PX3, PX5. PX3, PX5. You know PX3, PCl3, PBr3, PI3 means PX3. Look here, in case of PX5, look here, PCl5, PBr5, next PI5, correct? Yes. What is it? This is the a phosphorus halide. This is the a phosphorus halide. Okay? Yes. Look here, next. A first point, formation of alkyl chloride. Formation of alkyl chloride by using, by using PCl3. By using PCl3. Reaction ROH. How many moles? 3 moles plus phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride heating. Look here, everybody. The reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why this called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction? Look here, a OH minus ions replaced by the Cl minus ions. How many OH here? 3. How many Cl? 3. A 3 OH minus replaced by 3 Cl minus. Look here, product R. Next is the RCl. RCl. How many? 3. Plus, yes, 3PO3 means everybody, POS thies. POS thies. Same. Look here, name of the compound. You know name of the compound here? Alcohol. Name of the compound? Alcohol. When alcohol is heated with phosphorus trichloride. When alcohol is heated with phosphorus trichloride, it gives corresponding alkyl chloride. It gives corresponding alkyl chloride. Look here, PCl3 is a more stable. PCl3 more stable. Okay. Hence, a PCl3 direct gives. Okay, during the reaction. During the reaction. Correct? Yes. Reaction type nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic is substitution reaction here. Okay. Look here. A next question. What is the action of the phosphorus trichloride? Phosphorus trichloride on ethyl alcohol. Phosphorus trichloride on ethyl alcohol. How many thies? You know CH3, CH2OH. Name of the compound? Ethyl alcohol. Name of the compound? Ethyl alcohol. Look here, when ethyl alcohol heated with the phosphorus trichloride. When ethyl alcohol is heated with phosphorus trichloride, it gives, product here like the thies. CH3, CH2, next Cl. Name of the compound? Ethyl chloride. Name of the compound? Ethyl chloride. Correct? Yes. Look here, repeat here. When ethyl alcohol is heated with phosphorus trichloride, it gives ethyl chloride. It gives ethyl chloride. Simple question. What is the action of PCl3 or phosphorus trichloride on ethyl alcohol? On ethyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here. In next questions. Next questions. What is the action of? In next questions. What is the action of a phosphorus trichloride on isopropyl alcohol? CH3, CH, CH3. Okay, what is this? OH. Name of the compound? Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Look here, when isopropyl alcohol is heated with phosphorus trichloride, it gives thies. CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. Name of the compound? Isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Repeat. Look here, when isopropyl alcohol is heated with phosphorus trichloride, it gives isopropyl chloride. It gives isopropyl chloride. Simple. What is the action of a phosphorus trichloride or isopropyl alcohol? Answer: when isopropyl alcohol is heated with phosphorus trichloride, it gives isopropyl chloride. Clear? Yes. Look here, type is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Type is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Correct? Yes. Look here, a formation of alkyl chloride. Formation of alkyl chloride by zinc PCl5. You know, by zinc PCl5. PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride. PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Look here, phenol alcohol, general reaction, phenol alcohol. Here ROH. What is the name of this compound? Alcohol. Phenol alcohol heated with PCl5. Correct? Heating. You know here OH minus I is replaced by the Cl minus I. Type is a nucleophilic a substitution reaction. Answer R. Next Cl. Name of the compound. Here, you know, alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride plus phosphoryl chloride, POCl3 plus HCl. Look here, general reaction, everybody. This is the general reaction. Phenol alcohol is heated with phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride, it gives the corresponding a alkyl chloride. A type of reaction, nucleophilic a substitution reaction. Look here, example here. Next example. What is the action of PCl5? Okay, what is the action PCl5 on ethyl alcohol? CH3, CH2, OH. Name of the compound ethyl alcohol. Name of the compound ethyl alcohol. Look here, when ethyl alcohol heated with the PCl5, only one OH replaced by only one Cl. Okay, product here CH3, CH2, Cl. Name of the compound ethyl chloride. Name of the compound ethyl chloride. Repeat all of you. When ethyl alcohol is heated with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, it gives ethyl chloride. It gives ethyl chloride. Repeat all of you. When ethyl alcohol is heated with PCl5, it gives ethyl chloride. It gives ethyl chloride. Correct? Yes. Look here, second reaction. Look here, a second reaction. Second reaction, what is the action of PCl5 on isopropyl alcohol? You know CH3, CHOH, CH3. Name of the compound isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Look here, when isopropyl alcohol heated with PCl5. Heated with PCl5. You know product here like this CH3, next CH, next Cl, next CH3. Name of the compound isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Look here, simple. OH minus sign is replaced by the Cl minus sign. Type nucleophilic substitution reaction. Look here, in this reaction, formation of alkyl chloride. Here, a PCl3 and PCl5 are more stable. PCl3, okay, PCl3 and PCl5 are more stable. Look here, second point. Second, a formation of alkyl bromide. You know, formation of alkyl bromide here. Alkyl bromide. Look here, you know, by using PBr3. By using PBr3. Actually, phosphorus tribromide is less stable. Actually, a phosphorus tribromide is a less stable. You know, a red phosphorus, okay, twice plus twice Br, okay, thrice Br2, thrice Br2. You know product here, like this, twice, okay, PBr3, correct? Yes. Look here, this is the PBr, it is the less stable. Directly cannot use in this reaction. Also gives the mixture a red phosphorus and bromine. Red phosphorus and bromine. You know reaction, general reaction, thrice ROH plus, okay, PBr3. You know here a mixture, red phosphorus plus Br2 heating. You know reaction type, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? OH minus replaced by the Br minus. How many OH? 3. How many Br? 3. Type nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic, okay, here a nucleophilic substitution reaction here. You know product, simple, thrice R Br, name of the compound, alkyl bromide. Name of the compound, alkyl bromide plus, okay, here H3PO3, H3PO3, phosphorus acid. What is this? You know name of the compound here, alcohol. Look here, fen alcohol, everybody, a fen alcohol is heated with, phosphorus tribromide, it gives corresponding alkyl bromide. Correct? Yes. Look here, next question, what is the action of? What is the action of a PBr3? Look here, a simple, what is the action of PBr3 on ethyl alcohol? You know ethyl alcohol here, like this, CH3, next CH2, next OH. How many mole? Thrice. Okay, 3 OH replaced by the 3 Br. Product, thrice. CH3, CH2, next Br. Name of the compound, ethyl bromide. Correct? Look here, reaction. Name of the compound here, like this, ethyl alcohol. Look here, phenethyl alcohol is heated with PBr3. Okay, PBr3 actually less stable. It gives the compound ethyl bromide. Name of the compound, ethyl bromide. Okay, this is the simple reaction. As same to the PCl3, but PCl3 is the most stable. Cannot give the mixture of the phosphorus and chlorine. But in case of the phosphorus bromide, tribromide, give the mixture a red phosphorus and bromine. Look here, next. What is the action of PBr3? What is the action of a phosphorus tribromide on isopropyl alcohol? How many here? Moles here, 3. CH3, CHOH, CH3. Correct? Yes. Isopropyl alcohol. Look here, when isopropyl alcohol is heated with phosphorus tribromide, it gives thrice. You know, CH3, CH, Br, CH3, name of the compound, isopropyl bromide. Correct? Yes. Look here, simple concept in this reaction, because OH minus sign is replaced by the Br minus sign. OH minus sign is replaced by the Br minus sign, type a nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, a PBr3 is a less stable. Correct? Okay. Look here, next reaction is a PBr5. Look here, a PBr5. You know PBr5. Look here, PBr5 does not exist. Therefore, no reaction of the phosphorus pentabromide. Because PBr5 is not exist. Correct? Okay. Look here, next, a third type. a formation of alkyl iodide. Third type, formation of alkyl iodide here. Iodide, alkyl iodide. Look here, a alkyl iodide, everybody, by using a Pi3, phosphorus triiodide. Phosphorus triiodide. You know, here, use the mixture here. A red phosphorus twice, red phosphorus plus thrice. Okay, I2. To form, you know, twice Pi3, phosphorus triiodide. This is the mixture of the red phosphorus and iodine to form the phosphorus triiodide. By, look at Pi3 less stable to give the mixture during the reaction, everybody, a red phosphorus and the iodine here. You know, look here, a general reaction here, general reaction. Thrice R OH plus Pi3. Okay, a mixture, everybody, a red phosphorus plus I2 heating. You know, it gives the mixture, it gives the product here. Thrice R I plus EH3 PO3 phosphorus acid. You know, phosphorus acid. Name of the compound, alcohol. Name of the compound, alcohol. Name of the product here, alkyl iodide. Alkyl iodide, correct? Yes. Look here, faint alcohol heated with the phosphorus triiodide or a mixture of the red phosphorus and iodine. It gives the corresponding alkyl iodide. It gives the corresponding, you know, a corresponding alkyl iodide. Yes. Look here, next question here. What is the action of, you know, what is the action of phosphorus triiodide on ethyl alcohol? How many more thrice? CH3, CH2, OH. Correct? Name of the compound. Name of the compound, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here. Type is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? The OH minus replaced by the I minus. You know, product thrice. CH3, CH2, next I. Name of the compound, ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide. Explanation here, phenethyl alcohol. Look here, phenethyl alcohol is heated with the phosphorus triiodide. It gives ethyl iodide. It gives ethyl iodide. Correct? Yes. Look here, next questions here. What is the action of? Next questions. What is the action of a phosphorus triiodide on isopropyl alcohol? Thrice here, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. Name of the compound, isopropyl alcohol. Reaction with the phosphorus triiodide. You know, product thrice. CH3, CH, I, CH3. Name of the compound here, isopropyl iodide. Isopropyl iodide. Isopropyl iodide. Correct? Yes. Look here, what is the action of the phosphorus triiodide on the isopropyl alcohol? Simple. When isopropyl alcohol is heated with a phosphorus triiodide, it gives isopropyl iodide. Correct? Yes. Look here, by using here phosphorus pentaiodide. Next is by using a phosphorus pentaiodide. Look here, all of you, a phosphorus pentaiodide is not exist, therefore no reaction with the alcohol. Pi5 is not exist, therefore no reaction with the alcohol. Look here, a most important point here, heading the reaction of the phosphorus halide. Okay, first is the formation of the alkyl chloride, and second, you know, a formation of a alkyl bromide, and next is the last is a formation of alkyl iodide. Okay, all the reactions is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, a PCl3 and PCl5 are more stable, and PBr3 and Pi3 is a less stable. And next, everybody, a phosphorus pentabromide and phosphorus pentaiodide is not exist. All the reaction type is a nucleophilic, a substitution reaction. Okay, a complete the preparation method reaction with the phosphorus halide here. Okay, stop here. Thank you.